What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, blockchain technology, and so on. So in no way should you interpret this video as anything other than that. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about cryptocurrency and going over the latest news. Now, 1.6 trillion Shiba Inu coin leaves exchanges. What on earth is happening here? Or, in this term, what's cracking here? A stupendous amount of Shiba Inu coin has gone from major platforms. Sign of scarcity or losing relevance? Very good question. Since the start of 2026, Shiba Inu coin reserves on major platforms has dramatically dried up. Judging from the latest crypto quant data, the figure dropped by over 1.6 trillion Shiba Inu coin since mid-January, hinting at a looming supply crunch for the popular meme cryptocurrency or meme coin. It says this came around the same time as the ancient cryptocurrency whale decided to cash out $394,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. And cash out's a terrible term, right? Withdrawal is the correct term they should be using there. Cashing out means you traded it for cash, right? This whale did not do that. This whale withdrew that money and withdrew it onto the blockchain. So there is a big difference there. It says the gradual drawing of liquidity is noticeable across many major cryptocurrency platforms, including Binance and Coinbase. Now, Shiba Inu coin, however, is still seeing a lot of short sellers. It says, if met with proper trading activity, this could induce a supply crunch. On the other hand, geopolitical tensions, including the ongoing beef. This is very, what's the term that I'm looking for here? Informal. This is a very informally written article. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Beef between the U.S. and Iran has pushed cryptocurrency fear and greed index back into extreme fear levels, while rising crude oil prices and crashing stocks are expected to eventually reflect on major market cap coins, including Shiba Inu coin. Now, there is a lot going on. It says the long versus short ratio is 0.91, meaning that Shiba Inu coin short sellers actually outnumber the Shiba Inu coin bulls right now, even though the open interest weighted funding rate has just reclaimed green territory measured by the real-time data from CoinGlass. It says dropping another 3%, Shiba Inu coin must reclaim the 600 point per coin level in order to push the bears away. Now, at the time that I'm recording, Shiba Inu coin is just under that 600 point per coin level at 576 points per coin. So here's the thing, when you're looking at a cryptocurrency like this, and it has done nothing but go down and down and down for 2 straight years, hitting lower highs and lower lows, a lot of people give up. And you can actually see that. Right? They're uninterested right now. The level of interest in Shiba Inu coin is less than 1, which means that less than 1% of the people are looking for SHIB right now than were looking for it back in 2021. And that's hard. That's hard to stomach, right? But we're still seeing a lot of bullish activity. Hundreds of millions of dollars being traded. You've got a $3+ billion market cap. But the most exciting news is that Shiba Inu coin is at this floor, okay? Historically speaking, Shiba Inu coin hit about 500 points per coin and rallied higher. Shiba Inu coin hit 500 points per coin and rallied higher. Shiba Inu coin is currently hitting 500 points per coin. Now, if you go back, you go back a year, 2 years, when Shiba Inu coin was running in March, everybody was kicking themselves saying, I wish I would have bought some at 500 points per coin. 2021. I wish I would have bought some at 500 points per coin. Well, guys, we have the chance to buy some at 500 points per coin. And you know why nobody is doing it? Because they're afraid. There's so much fear in this market right now. It's insane. Ignore the fear. Focus on your trading plan. Stick to the logic and forget about the emotions.